Hello people, I don't know, it's Jared here, and so, we did it. We hit 1,000 views. I can't believe that. You guys have been so supportive. So, I've been reading the comments, all of them, and I kind of answered to all of them in just like one comment, thanking you all, and so yeah. The burping video that I'm going to do is an ABCs. So, yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. Like, you know, see. And then, yeah, so I'll be doing that, but it's probably going to be a little bit better. So, yeah, that's my plans. Thank you for giving me so much support and subscribing. So, yesterday I got 74 views. That's the highest amount of views that I've gotten ever. 74 views in one day. That's pretty awesome. So, thank you and goodbye.